This is a review of the LED wall sconce lights that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about these wall lights. So these wall lights is something that really changed the entire appearance of my home. I pretty much never imagined that it could change, a small modification could change and make it look extremely big. So you're going to see for yourself in about 3 seconds on how this changed the appearance to my home. So 3, 2, 1, and go. And there you have it, folks. It looks absolutely beautiful. These LED wall sconce lights, they're IP65 waterproof, and pretty much from there, they're also dimmable as well too. It comes with 2 remote controls, so if you lose one remote control, you have the other one, which is a huge plus. They provide 2 remotes, but I have it programmed into 1 remote. So both of these 2 LED fixture wall lights, they work into 1 remote that you can see right over here, and you can see different options, which I'll show you guys in a second. But I'm going to be going up closer in a so you guys could see how this is exactly mounted on. So pretty much from here, you're gonna see it's pretty much all glued up from a professional to make sure everything stays waterproof. There's pretty much 3 screws right over here. That's all pretty much the special glue that he used to pretty much seal everything up so it stays waterproof. Although these lights are waterproof, but the professional that I got installed, he made sure that it's going to stay waterproof forever, in the long run. And you can see here on one on the left side, I have it one on the right side right over here. You can see how it drastically changed the appearance of my home, and now I can have it in different colors as well too. So you could dim it as well too if you want. So you have a lot of options to choose from. Then you have it right here. So this is the brightest setting. Then you can have it like this, and if you want to have it a little bit dim, you can have it like that way. And then from here, we're going to see you can have it in a white mode. So pretty much you can have it white, you can have it yellow, you can have pretty much any type of color, however you choose. So wherever your preference is, you could choose it however like that. But you're going to see how it looks like. So pretty much in white, it looks like this. And then this is by far one of my most favorite colors. So we have it in this color as well too, which it gives it changes the whole appearance, and it's probably one of my most favorite colors right over here. Then after here, we have it white, and then you have it on this one as well too. So you have different color options from 6K LED to all the way to different types of colors that you could have. And then right over here, you could dim it as well too. And not just that, but you could also, like you could see from, you could choose the settings as well too. So you can have it on white, then you could dim the brightness down as well too. And then not just that, you could play with and change the colors as well too. So you could go to however you could have from yellow, you could have it to white. And then right over here, you're gonna, right over here, we get a moon option as well too. So you can have it like this. So when it's like nights and you're trying to sleep, or you want to have it on, you want to have it on, but you want to have it dim, you can have it like this way as well too. Then from here, we have it to right here. You can have it on 3 different settings for the brightness levels that you can see right over here, this, that, and right over here. Then we have it this one, then we have that. So it goes from 6K LED white to pretty much you can have to the yellow one, which I do love the yellow as well too. It doesn't look that bad either. But you can see on the right side, which I'll go on the right side as well here too, how beautiful these LED sconce wall lights change the entire appearance of my home. You're going to see right over here the screws that are pretty much all glued up from the professional. He made sure so that way they stay waterproof forever. Like I told you guys, they are waterproof but if you're going to get it done from professional, he's gonna make sure it stays waterproof forever, so that way nothing ever goes wrong in the future, and it stays lit forever. And there you have it, folks. It looks absolutely beautiful and changed the entire appearance to my home. Like I told you guys, different color options to choose from. You can have it from to this, it's with the remote control, you could play with it. There's 100 different options you could choose from. Wherever whatever color you choose, it goes to that color. But yeah, if you're looking to change the entire appearance to your home, then I would definitely recommend these LED wall sconce lights, because of the fact that it modernized my home. It changed the entire appearance to my home, and overall it just looks absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking for some LED wall sconce lights, then these ones are probably one of the best ones that you could get.